Hello, wisdom investors. Welcome to my channel where I help you to invest with conviction. Please note that I am not an investment advisor. However, we can together learn that how I am making my personal investments. This is only for educational purpose. No recommendations here. So, without any further delay, let's start on our new topic. So now let us discuss the stock of Tesla. First, we are going to check what is the news, why the stock has been falling, and then we'll see the technicals and the fundamentals. Let's quickly get into that. So recently, there was a lot of news that a drop in deliveries has been triggered due to the price wars in the Chinese EV market. There has been a lot of news that even in US, the demand has fallen down. There is a lot of competition and overall the EV market hasn't been doing well. Now, when we see all this, we'll have to see that what has happened to the charts. We know that the stock has been falling, but to what extent? Now, to have a quick look, what I do is that I use an 200 EMA and it tells me that whether my stock is in an uptrend or in a downtrend. We can see that currently our stock is quite in downtrend because it is below the 200 EMA. However, we still have to understand that whether it's the right time to buy the stock or not. Now, if you try to see what has happened in the stock was in an uptrend from 2019 till 2021. As you can see, it was in an uptrend. After that, the stock started coming down and it showed a lot of downtrend from 2022 to 2023. It did pick up once again, went up till 280, but after that it is just falling down. Now I'll remove all these arrows to explain you more what is currently happening. If you see what is happening here, there is a small channel which has formed and the stock is in this channel. It's going back and forth in this channel. It goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, and the channel is downwards. So the first point we need to understand is that how long this channel will be going on. So it might be the situation that the stock goes up and once again comes down and then keeps going down. The other situation might be that from here the stock might also give a breakdown or else it might go up and then give a breakout. There are a lot of scenarios possible at present. Just yesterday, I noticed that there is a green candle which was formed. We can see it or we will try to see it on an hourly chart. But this candle, the green candle which is here, it is still lower than the red candle. So now this cannot be considered as a confirmation that the stock is going to go up. We need one more green candle or a bigger candle than this green candle to say that the stock might go up. Otherwise, we have no confirmation that the stock may go up. It might also give a breakdown next week. Now, considering that there is a situation of indecision, we will also consider that how long the stock can fall. If we see this stock might even fall probably till 161 as the first resistance, and then other resistance I have already marked which is around 120, and we will have to understand and confirm from the fundamentals that what might happen if the fundamentals are really strong or not to understand what we can do in Tesla. So let's go and check the fundamentals. So now let us have a look on the fundamentals of Tesla. If we check the balance sheet, we can see that their assets have been increasing. I am more on the quarter to quarter results as there has been a recent downtrend which is visible. If you see the payables have been a little higher this time, and however the current liability has also increased. Now this is very much clear because there has been a lot of shutdown of the China factory as well as the factory in Germany. If we also try to understand what is their long-term debt, we can see their long-term debt has increased and the total liabilities have also been increasing. So overall, you can see their equity is, yes, it's increasing, and their retained earnings have increased actually. So here we can say that the balance sheet is still very much mixed, but overall the debt is once again increasing. So that is one thing which we can understand from the balance sheet. From the income statement, once again I am going to check what is going on in the fiscal quarters, because this stock hasn't given a lot of up move in the last few quarters. So let us understand what happened in the last few quarters. The revenue, you can see it has only slightly increased. However, the revenue growth has quite decreased. So basically, in terms of calculating the PE, the year-on-year growth is something which is taken care of, and here we do not see the lot of expected growth. So now the cost of revenue, it has increased in fact, and the gross profit has decreased from last few quarters. The R&D expenses have also been almost the same, I would say, and the selling and general expenses, the trend has increased in the few quarters. So overall what we see is that their expenses have been increasing. However, the growth which has been shown has not been as high. Now, in my point of view, when I invest in this kind of a stock, what I will see is that if the valuation decreases, only once the valuation is going to decrease, probably if the stock once again, if it breaks down from here, somewhere the stock comes around 116, I might think of making an investment. However, before that, I might not get into this stock. I am still holding a few stocks of Tesla. I will see that if I should average them, I will probably average it around 111 or 120. So this is my point of view on Tesla, and let's now get on to Apple.